Welcome. If you want to set up Face Unlock in your Samsung Galaxy Fold 2, for the first you have to open the settings. After that you have to scroll down to go for the biometrics and the security and just click to face recognition. Right now we have to input our current log method. So in my case it was simply 4-digit PIN. And right now I'm going to remove currently face data. And we have to go for the register face. Here we have to read all this stuff. After that we can just click on the continue. And I'm not wearing glasses, so I leave this answer like that, then tap here. And as you can see right now, smartphone starts recording. Oh, I was about to say recording sound, but starts registering our face. Well, let me just take off this microphone. Okay, and we have to keep the face right here. But I just wonder why it is still on the 0%, so maybe I have to keep my face a little bit closer. Yeah, it was the reason why it was still in the 0%. So right now I'm going to put back the microphone. Okay, and here I'm going to select this option, stay on the lock screen after the face recognition. So click done. Let's close the settings and we are going to try to unlock with our face. So as you can see, it is working, and right now we can simply swipe to open our smartphone. And we can also go back to the settings, and when we go for the face recognition, let's input our PIN. We can just turn off this require open eyes. So even when you close your eyes, you will be able to still unlock the smartphone with your face. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.